Good day, my name is Deborah Verkuil and I am studying Higher Certificate in Early Childhood Development. This is my big book. Come get ready with me for school, a book inspired by healthy living. Hi, my name is Anna and today is my first day of school. First, I need to brush my teeth. I use circular motions to brush my teeth. This is to prevent my teeth from any cavities. Always remember to brush your teeth every day, in the morning and at night. Now I'm going to brush my hair as I need to be neat and tidy for school. Mom is helping me to brush my hair. Come and see. Mom has prepared for me for lunch today. I have 2 slices of brown bread with ham and cheese, my favorite. Then for a snack, I have few slices of carrots, 1 tomato, a few grapes, and 1 bottle of water. It is very important to eat healthy food, such as vegetables and fruits. This will help us to grow faster and do well in school. Always remember to drink lots and lots of water to stay hydrated. Don't forget to wash your hands. Washing hands is very important before you eat. This is to prevent any germs from entering our bodies. Now I'm ready for school. Goodbye. So class, tell me, why is it important to brush your teeth? Well done. It's to prevent you from getting any cavities. When must we brush our teeth? Well done. In the morning and at night. Name any 3 types of vegetables. Well done. You get carrots, tomatoes, as well as cabbage. Why must we drink lots and lots of water? Well done. And that is to stay hydrated. What is your favorite fruit? Me too. I love apples. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.